I'm Mary Slaughter, and I am going to show you what your production project should look like when you have completed it. First, you're going to be opening up a file called Orders. Then you're going to be doing some things to that file, and when you finish, it's going to look like the one that you're currently looking at on the screen. You'll see it says order log at the top. You'll be merging and centering these cells across all of these cells in order to make it look like that. You'll be calculating the total cost that's in column G. You will be formatting the cells that are in columns E, F, G, and H to show those dollar signs, and then also the ones down here in column C under total amount. You'll be making bold this heading, these headings, and these headings. You'll be creating two charts, and the two charts will be pie charts. One of them will show the total number of purchases from each vendor, and the other one will show the total amount spent on orders from each vendor. You will, in order to create these charts, need to grab the data from this little table that is right here that I'm highlighting. And you need to know how to manipulate that data to get it over into these two charts. Now, where you place the charts on this sheet, it doesn't really matter to me. I will be passing out to you after this video an instruction sheet that'll say step by step all the different things you have to do to manipulate the file that you're going to open in order so that it comes out looking like this. You're going to then go to another sheet that's in the same file called the sales log, and by the way, you're going to be naming these tabs down here order log and sales log, because when you open up the file, it's really going to say sheet 1 and sheet 2. You're going to go to this one that's a sales log, and when you open up this sales log, everything's going to be here except you're going to have to format it. You're going to have to format the title of the sheet. You're going to have to format the title of the columns that's in row 3 so that they're bold. You're going to have to format all of these cells so they show dollar signs. You're going to have to create a formula for the subtotal, the tax, and the total price, because when you open up this worksheet, you're going to be given all of this data. You'll be given everything that I've just highlighted, but then you're going to have to put in the formulas for the subtotal, the tax, and the total price. You will be using the sales tax of 7%. This will also be already in the worksheet for you. I'll give you a hint when you're calculating the tax. When you put that formula in cell I4, you need to use an absolute value in order to be able to take that formula and copy it all the way down the rest of these cells to get the right amount. So that's it. This is the end of the presentation. I will now pass out the one sheet piece of paper that is your production test and answer any questions that you may have.